In today's world, people are looking for more flexibility, more income, and more time for the things that matter most. For over 60 years, Amway has empowered millions worldwide with trusted products and a proven business opportunity. Whether you're looking to supplement your income, build a full-time business, or simply grow personally and professionally, Amway offers the tools, training, and support to help you succeed. You'll be part of a global community that believes in helping others while building a future of your own design.
There are so many people who had started with very humble beginning and succeed in Amway, making their dreams come true in Amway. My good friend Crown Ambassador Direct Distributor Mr. Koo, who has started in very humble beginning as a technician in a semiconductor factory, earning just enough to live by monthly salary. Through hard work and proven success system, he has achieved great success in Amway business. Just 2 days ago, I have visited his house with my team. This is a beautiful, nice swimming pool built within the compound of his beautiful house. Every year, travel around the world in first class, staying in presidential suite and all fully paid by Amway. Today, Mr. Koo is able to live an uncommon freedom lifestyle through Amway business. This is another friend of mine who has also started with very humble beginning in Amway as seen in the picture. Look at the car he drives and the house he lives. Today, through Amway business, Peter Lee has achieved great success in Amway also as Crown Ambassador Direct Distributor, living in his dream house, driving his dream cars. And what's stunning is he even bought 2 jet plane and Rolls Royce with a piece of land turning into a beautiful high-class resort. This lady who has achieved her Diamond Direct Distributorship was unfortunately passed away. Her Amway business network continued to expand last 20+ years, and her family members had continued to receive her Diamond Distributor bonuses until this day, and will continue to receive for generations to come. That's the beauty of the Amway business. All Amway legacy bonuses are transferable to your next generation and generations to come with no end. Amway legacy bonuses have attracted people from all walks of life, from professionals like doctors, lawyers, engineers, etc., to business entrepreneurs to join Amway. I was being attracted by Amway legacy income and started the Amway business. I have been earning Amway bonuses last 10 years without fail. I am dedicated to helping people to succeed in Amway with financial freedom through our 20 years proven success pattern.
The choice is yours. Take control of your future, unlock your potential, and join Amway today. Your future, your business, your way. To learn more about how you can succeed in Amway through our proven 30 years success system, or joining as Amway business owner, you may scan the QR code or click on the link in the description.
Go ahead, click on the link shown on my Facebook posts or my YouTube channel, or you can even scan the QR code to send me WhatsApp message, or you may even visit my website https://jezjoshua.com homepage and fill up the form, and I will be in touch with you in my nearest available time possible.
Looking forward to help you succeed in Amway business. See you at the top. God bless you.